come across some super ripe bananas. I know this happens to you quite often, so this is a great recipe on how to utilize your overripe bananas. I'm going to be using the ripest 3 of them here today, like this. 1, 2, 3. These 3 right here. So, real quick recipe for you here. This is going to be banana spice protein muffins. Okay, so pretty much what we're doing is we're combining all our dry ingredients right here. Okay, I've got my flour here. I'm adding some baking soda. I'm gonna put some salt, cinnamon, 1½ teaspoons right there. Ground nutmeg, just a pinch. Ground cloves, just a pinch. They're pretty strong. Okay. And ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so all of this gets mixed together. These are my dry ingredients. I'm going to add some protein powder. Okay, mixer ready to go. I put my bananas in there. All right. I've got, let's see, what do I got here? 8 ounces of sugar, using white sugar today. Two eggs. Pure vanilla extract, the real deal. You gotta have it. About a teaspoon. Dry ingredients go in. So I decided to add a little bit more protein powder to my mixture, and then I had to put just a splash of water as well. So by my calculations, I'm using this really high quality protein. This should have over 100 grams of protein. So if I do 10 muffin scoops, that would be 10 grams of protein in each muffin minimum. So you got to figure, you got eggs, you got bananas, you got all this other stuff. I would say between 10 and 15 grams of protein per muffin. Good healthy snack, and actually this is very low carbs. I mean, there's not very much flour in here. High quality scoop. If you don't have one, I think you know where to get it. High quality muffin pan. This is made in America. Hard to find. A couple of things I got to show you real quick. One of my philosophies, which I'm starting to pass on to you a little more: reduce, reuse, recycle. Why use something like a paper towel or plastic wrap when you already have this that you're going to throw away? Putting just a couple of drops of oil in each one of these. It also pays to use high quality muffin pan like this. Really nice, thick aluminum. I like it. Steel ones are good too. Alright, so these are all greased, ready to go. Next step, batter into the pan. I'll show you real quick what I'm going to do here. Approximately a level scoop like this. Right in. Just like that. Bake at 350 until done. Oh, and chef's secret. Fresh grated nutmeg. Finished muffins just came out of the oven. They look pretty good. They did sink a little bit, but that's okay. I tasted a little bit that I put in a smaller test container, and right here, really nice, soft and chewy. If I make them again, I would change a few things. Please leave a comment. Tell us what you think. What would you change on these? And keep cooking. For a factory Japanese knife, baby's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful edge on that baby. So, check it out. Like I said, at your sponsor, these babies are on sale. You can't go wrong.